Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm unboxing some things from IPSY Offers. If it sounds interesting, you want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I'm so very glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, IPSY is a monthly subscription. You receive a bag with a mixture of beauty products. They have 3 different levels. They have a Glam Bag, a Glam Bag Plus, and at least through the month of December, they will have the Glam Bag Ultimate. Starting in the new year, they will be doing a quarterly Glam Bag X in place of the Glam Bag Ultimate. But it doesn't really matter which level you have, as long as you are a subscriber at some level, you can participate in their sales, and that includes their add-ons, their offers, and their mystery bags. In this order, I got 2 single items and 1 bundle from the offers, so let's check them out. Okay, the first thing that I got was from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Roller Lash Mascara. This is a deluxe sample. This is something I used long ago, and I haven't had a new one in a number of years, so I wanted to try it out again and see if I still liked it. A full size of this would be 8.5 grams and retail for $25. This is a deluxe sample, which is 3 grams, so it's got a value of $8.82, and it was in add-ons for $3. Next we have a brush, because you know I like my brushes. This is from IPSY Glam. This is their SS57 brush. And look at the sparkle in that handle. And of course the 2 jewels up here in the ferrule. Retail on this is $18. It was in add-ons for $3. And then I also got 1 bundle. It was called the Holiday Skincare Edit. So let's check out what was in there. First, from Sunday Riley, you got the Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. And not only is it a full size, but it's in the retail packaging, which I always like, because you know we don't always get that. And so there's the packaging on that. This is 50 grams, and the retail on this is $65. From 111 Skin, we have a Biocellulose Facial Treatment Mask. Retail on that is $32. From Melixir, this is plant-derived squalane oil. This is a full-size 20 milliliter, and it retails for $40. Next, from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, we got a Belle Makeup headband in blue. I think these are absolutely adorable. I actually have one, the exact one in pink, so now I have a pink one and a blue one. Very happy with that. Those retail for $6.99. They are available at Ulta if you like them. Next, from ClarityRx, this is Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Facial Oil. This is a travel size. It is 15 milliliters, and it retails for $29. From Murad, this is Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Full size of this would be 50 milliliters and retail for $60. This is 7.5 milliliters, so it would have a value of $9. Next, from Purlisse, we have Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. This comes in 2 retail sizes. There is a 3.4 fluid ounce is the closest to this. That retails for $28. This is a half fluid ounce, so the value on this would be about $4.12. And from Dr. Botanicals, this is Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. This is a 30 milliliter full size, and it retails for $12.99. And from Generation Clay, this is the Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. This is a 15 milliliter sample. I can't calculate this one because all of the retail packaging I've been able to find is in grams, not in milliliters, so I can't do the math on it. So we'll calculate everything else and just know that this was on top of it. So this bundle, the Holiday Skincare Edit, was $39.99. They claimed it had a value of $207.54. They were being very specific. I calculated $199.10 plus the clay mask, so I think we're pretty good. Leave any comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.